Every day across Africa, thousands of projects depend on the right tools and components to function properly. But when substandard products enter that supply chain, the results can be devastating. Damaged properties, operational downtime, and sometimes even loss of lives. That's the problem we saw, and that's the reason why Structured Tools and Components was born. Structured Tools and Components was established to bridge the gap between end users and original equipment manufacturers, connecting African industries to genuine high-quality products they can absolutely depend on. We just don't distribute tools, we distribute trust. We don't just sell equipment, we deliver assurance that every part, every cable, and every machine will perform as promised. Over the past decade, we've built a robust digital distribution network center across West and Central Africa, enabling industries, contractors, and engineers to access the world's most trusted brands through seamless e-commerce platforms. We combine world-class technologies with data-driven logistics to ensure every order is accurate, authentic, and on time.
Our strength lies in our partnerships with both our clients and global manufacturers. We have become the trusted link that guarantees reliability from factory to field. So whether it's industrial tools, safety equipment, electrical components, or backup power systems, STC delivers solutions that empower people to build, innovate, and succeed. You see, through our digital platforms, EngineeringShop, Outstar, and ProWorker Tools, we're redefining what accessibility means in the engineering supply chain. These platforms make sourcing faster, safer, and smarter, helping our partners reduce procurement risks and focus on what truly matters.
At Structured Tools and Components, we believe that quality isn't luxury, it's a responsibility. Because when you build with the right tools, you don't just complete a project, you build trust, progress, and safety. That's the standard we stand for, and that's the promise we make. To every client, to every partner, and every engineer across the continent, if you're a contractor, a procurement professional, or an industry leader looking for reliability, precision, and genuine engineering solution, you can join us, partner with Structured Tools and Components, and experience what it means to source with confidence. Structured Tools and Components, we give you genuine products, trusted partners, and good performance.